DEVCOM Armaments Center, we focus on munitions, armaments, and lethality. Working with energetics, there's a lot of safety concerns. Energetics we considered explosive, pyrotechnics, and propellants.
At DEVCOM, this is a manual process where they're loading fuses for grenades into a press, and they are changing up the formulas and trying different methods, trying different amounts of pressure, different numbers of presses, and changing the operation so that they can get the best mixture.
Anytime we work with energetics, we want to minimize the number of people present, the time that they are present for, and the amount of explosives in the environment for an efficient operation.
This is our factory acceptance test, which means it's the test that's within our facility before we take it onto site. And what we wanted to do is make sure that our client has seen all of the work that we've done. When we started doing this project for DEVCOM, we were looking at how can we make this environment safer? And it's a great environment for a robot because it's repetitive and it gets a person out of this unsafe environment with explosive. What's great about the robot in this environment is that the output of all of the fuses is more consistent, as well as it can be run overnight. So while it may not be as fast as a person who is doing it and standing there and doing each fuse individually, it makes the environment safer because it removes the human from the explosive powder environment, and the robot is taking that place, and then the robot, as a result, gets some more consistent fuses overall.
Starting at the very beginning of the process, we are asking lots of different questions that will help us to design the best system for our customers.